and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS.
And my name's Samantha, I manage the office here at LCS.
Okay, well we've entered November, just coming out of October. For us, it's duct cleaning season.
Yes.
We do a lot of duct cleaning this time of year, so we wanted to talk to you about 3 things you need to know about duct cleaning that maybe you haven't thought of before. All right, Sam, give us one thing.
Yeah, so the system itself. A lot of people are still working from home due to the pandemic. This machine can be loud. So if you're planning on working or you have animals that don't like loud noises or your kids that they're affected by that, we need to plan around that. And we also have to leave the door open for the hose for the machine as well. So we don't want your animals running outside or anything like that.
Very important to consider our pups and our kitties.
Yes.
Right? And our kids.
Yes.
Yeah, but that is a really good point, is there is a lot of air that pushes through from this machine, and it's like a big loud compressor or something,
Yeah.
right? So it is just very loud. So just to be aware of that.
Yes.
What's another thing?
The weather outside. So the unit has to be shut off. So that means no heating or cooling can be ran for the duration of the appointment. So if it's really cold outside, we might tell you, let's wait until spring. Just so, it doesn't get too cold in your house and your system has to work too hard to come back up. Also, if it's raining really heavily outside, that machine has to sit outside, so it could damage our machine. So we would have to reschedule for inclement weather.
Okay, that's really important to think about too, because there's sometimes if weather is extreme, like super hot or super cold, once you turn your furnace and air conditioner back on, it could take a while to catch back up, and so it could just be uncomfortable for longer than you want it to be.
Yeah.
And Samantha, duct cleaning is not an emergency service.
No.
Generally, yeah. So
it's a good cleaning service to have if you haven't had it done in a while.
Yeah, necessary but not emergency, I guess. Yes. Okay, what's the third thing?
So our machine is a negative air machine, and it collects 99% of everything that we're trying to pull out of your ducts. If your ducts are really bad, it could cause dust to stir up throughout your home. So instead of cleaning once that week, you may need to give it another clean, just dusting, sweeping the floors.
Okay, so think of like a layer of dust, right? And we use coverings. So we have floor coverings, we use all of that stuff in the house, but it can still, we're stirring up a lot.
Yeah,
in
and
your
it goes
ducts.
in the air, and it may take a few days to settle to the ground, just like any other dust.
Now, are you talking about like we'll need a professional cleaner to come in, or
No, not at all. Just
okay,
another routine dusting and sweeping.
okay. So maybe just, like you said, a couple times instead of just once or something like that. So, okay, so keep that in mind. Weather, noise, and dust when we think about duct cleaning. But it's such a great service to have in your home. And spring and fall really are the best times of year to have it done.
And those before and after pictures are they're great. They're great to see. Like, you can't believe what is in those ducts sometimes.
And think about this. If you have moved into a home and you didn't have the ducts cleaned, you're really living in someone else's space that was there before. So it's their hair and dust and debris and food crumbs and all that stuff that is collected in your ducts. So that is literally one of the best times, in my opinion, to have duct cleaning done is when you first moved into a home. Yeah. Or when you have a remodel.
Oh yeah.
Drywall dust.
Everywhere.
Yeah, it's bad. So, okay, well I hope that's good information for you for duct cleaning. Again, Renee and Samantha here, HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.